How to add custom photo widget on iPhone. To get started, first of all press and hold a blank area until your app starts to jiggle, then tap on Edit in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu at the top, tap Add Widget Options. This will open the widget gallery, where you can browse and add a variety of available widgets. From here, scroll down the list until you locate and find the Photos widget, then tap on it. Swipe to choose your preferred size. For this example, I am choosing the album widget. Tap on Add Widget to place it on your home screen. After adding the widget, tap on it while in jiggle mode to customize its content. As you can see, a menu will appear. Tap on Album and then tap Choose to select a photo album for the widget to display. The widget will now display photos from your selected album. Once finished, tap on Done at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily add a custom photo widget on an iPhone.